What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Josh here with Super Sport Enthusiast. Yo, lately, man, we've been having it out dealing with all this crap from selling the old car. I know a lot of you guys miss it. I miss it too, but sometimes, you know what I'm saying, you just got to do bigger and better things. Whoever the next owner is of that car, understand that it's a freshly built motor, done from faster primes, and it's amazing. That car lasted me 6 years. It's done amazing things. It's taken me across the world, across the journey, all the things that I've wanted to ever do. But now, of course, we are here with the none only 2018 supercharged Chevy Camaro Zl1. All right, so we're gonna jump into a little bit of clips from yesterday. I forgot to do an opening. I want to show you guys a little bit of. We went to, I think it was called Get Ratchet, Florida Meet at Bradenton, alright? So enjoy a few clips from that. After those clips, we're going to jump into a tail light install. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna
Alright, so that was the Bradenton meet. It got pretty chilly pretty quick. There were some nice cars there. Also on the car show, there was, like, again, Get Ratchet. So drag racing, car show, all those things that you guys can imagine. Sorry about that. Anyways, now we're going to jump into the tail light removal. I already have some of the gear out here. Too light. Alright, so I already have some of the gear out here. And of course, I got my best friend Moses helping me out. Ain't that right, Mose? Just drooling out of the mouth. Disgusting. Right, so what I want to show you guys is we are removing the factory red tail lights on the ZL1. They gotta go. And we are going to be replacing them with aftermarket smoked LED tail lights. What do you guys think? I mean, this is beautiful. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look. Small mod by small mod, of course. We're gonna do a couple what I like to call exterior look mods. Just get rid of the red. We're just gonna do the hard black and white and black look. Of course, we got to go ahead and get rid of these tints. I need to figure out who's gonna tint them for me. Again, guys, I did change the Instagram, so if you guys want to go ahead and you're not following me on Instagram yet, go ahead and follow me on Josh_Zl1. And you are on the channel watching the page, man. So just show some love. Let's do it. Show some freaking love. All right, isn't that right? Moses, come on, you gotta hit him with something. Isn't that right? Okay, well, he said, roll over if they should subscribe. Exactly. Roll over. There we go. Moses thinks you guys should subscribe, so I'm just saying. Just go ahead and subscribe now. Show some freaking love. Just giving you guys a quick before look. Alright, so I took out the liner from inside of the trunk. Have it sitting right here. And then we just pull off some of the tabs to have access to the back of the screws back here, guys. Already. So there's going to be about 3 to 4 bolts coming out from here. Alright, and then everything is inside the box where the side markers were from last week. This is just mod number 2. And it is a simple, just freaking... Oh, what's... Alright, let's go ahead and give this thing a tug, see if it just comes out. I got all the screws out. There we go. Ba-bam, bam. Woo! First light out. Yo, the first light is already in. Check it out. Tell me what you guys think. All right, I'm loving it so far. Look at that. Now look at the sequential light now. When I unlock it, look at the sequential light going across the front or the top. Oh my Lord. Yes. Okay, so I got them done and they are installed. Look how sick they look. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3. Bro, that's sick. Alright guys, I'm sitting here dying in sweat. Thanks you. Oh God, I'm tired. As you can guys, I'm done. I'm back. Alright guys, well I am dying in sweat. I'm super tired. As you guys can see, the installation went amazing. It took me literally maybe 30 minutes. To you guys it was probably about 5 minutes because of course I had to speed everything up. But if you guys like that, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button. Just a little bit of, I didn't plan this, I ordered it, I had no instructions honestly in the box, and I just went off of it just like that. No idea what I'm doing, and just got it done, if you know what I'm saying. So, until then guys, it's your boy Josh, Super Sport Enthusiast, we out. Peace!